272 species in genus Erysimum. A Wallflower's Tale, my exploration of Erysimum. The world of plants is vast and diverse, filled with captivating colors, shapes, and scents. As a plant enthusiast, I, Ferb Vu, am always eager to delve deeper into the intricacies of the botanical realm. Today, I want to share my fascination with a particular genus that has captured my attention, Erysimum, more commonly known as wallflowers. These hardy plants, belonging to the Brassicaceae family, are renowned for their vibrant blooms and captivating fragrance. Their resilience and adaptability have allowed them to thrive in various environments, from rocky cliffs to cultivated gardens. Join me as I explore the enchanting world of Erysimum, unraveling its diversity and highlighting some of its notable species. A tapestry of wallflower species. The genus Erysimum boasts a rich tapestry of over 200 species, each with its unique characteristics and allure. See full list at monsterholic.com. The allure of wallflowers. What is it about wallflowers that has captivated gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike? Their appeal lies in their versatility, resilience, and captivating beauty. These plants are relatively low maintenance, tolerating a range of soil conditions and requiring minimal watering once established. Their vibrant flowers, often blooming in early spring, provide a welcome burst of color after the long winter months. The fragrance of wallflowers is another alluring characteristic, filling the air with a sweet, spicy aroma that is both calming and invigorating. This fragrance has made them a popular choice for perfumes and potpourris, adding a touch of natural elegance to our surroundings. Wallflowers in the wild. While many Erysimum species are cultivated in gardens, they also play an essential role in their natural ecosystems. Their flowers provide nectar and pollen for a variety of pollinators, supporting biodiversity and contributing to the health of the environment. Some species, like Erysimum capitatum, have even been used for medicinal purposes by indigenous communities, highlighting their potential benefits beyond their ornamental value. Cultivating wallflowers, a rewarding endeavor. Growing wallflowers can be a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels. These plants are relatively easy to cultivate, thriving in well-drained soil and full sun exposure. They can be propagated from seed or cuttings, allowing for easy expansion of your wallflower collection. Whether you choose to grow them in borders, rock gardens, or containers, wallflowers are sure to add a touch of charm and vibrancy to your outdoor space. Their long blooming period and captivating fragrance will provide months of enjoyment, attracting pollinators and enhancing the beauty of your surroundings. A continuing fascination. As I continue to explore the world of Erysimum, I am constantly amazed by the diversity and resilience of these plants. Their ability to thrive in various environments, their captivating beauty, and their ecological importance make them a truly remarkable group of plants. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, I encourage you to take a closer look at wallflowers and discover their unique charm. Their vibrant colors, captivating fragrance, and adaptability will surely leave a lasting impression, reminding us of the wonders of the plant kingdom. Remember, wallflowers, like all living things, deserve our respect and care. By appreciating their beauty and understanding their role in the ecosystem, we can contribute to their continued survival and enjoy their presence for generations to come.